Condoritos off-road test for the Traxxas. And we're gonna be doing in a disc terrain with a lot of dirt, water puddles, and it's gonna be quite challenging for that little car. So I'm planning to see how that goes. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's going to be a lot of fun here with that little car. And let me tell you, it got me surprised, guys. Little car, but again, this Traxxas, right?
The Condor C is leveling up. First Traxxas on the channel. Let's see what this little beast can do. Feel the rush in my veins, merely slash on the table and the story begins. They say Traxxas is the fastest name in radio control, so I charge up the back, let the throttle take hold. New chapter in the channel, yeah, the journey's alive. From the dirt to the paper, this machine wants to fly. Thinking in my mind while I tighten the wheels, is this really gonna be my favorite, or just hype in the field? Mini slash stories and tearing up the ground, tiny but it's tighten when the tires spin around. Traxxas in the spotlight, ready for the show, fastest name in RC, let the whole world know.
Well, guys, I'm gonna say something. If you are afraid to the dirt, you are in the ground hobby, right? Look at this, guys. Look, I'm gonna show you.
And we've only just begun.
Look. I don't know if somebody else is going to show you all of this, but I will. Look. Ay, mama, if you are afraid to this, you are not in the right hobby, because it's when you have the most fun on the dirt. I'm telling you guys, and let me tell you this. Let me show you this, guys. This boy is a champion. I'm telling you. Amazing. It's completely full of dirt and water. Oh, Jesus, I'm gonna actually have to blow it a little bit.
Is it really my favorite? Hit the throttle, hard in the slash, comes alive like a bullet on rails, like it's ready to. But Traxxas brings a flavor that's uniquely made. And all these brands that are pushing the line, but the slash got a soul and it's starting to shine. Mini slash rising, carving out its place. First Traxxas on the channel. Journey's just begun. Traxxas, the Chinese wave. The battle continues. But today, the mini slash takes the stage. New chapter, new energy. Let's ride. This is a new chapter. The Condor C is leveling up. First Traxxas on the channel. Let's see what this little beast can do. Traxxas is the fastest name in radio control, so I charge up the really my favorite. I hit the throttle harder when the slash comes alive. It's ready to fly, precision in the steering, suspension on point. Every turn, every drift, man, it's in the joint. I'm still a legend that will never fade, but Traxxas brings a flavor that's uniquely made. Mini slash ride, driving out his place. First Traxxas on the track, setting up the pace. Fastest name in RC, lightning in his face, running with the giant, breaking all the chains. Captain of the one, and the journey's just begun.
Traxxas, the Chinese wave. The battle continues, but today, the mini slash takes the stage.
New chapter, new energy, the kind on sea.
Let's ride.